Francisco Fierro Palas, called Pancho Fierro, was born circa 1807 to 1809, Lima, died 28 July 1879, Lima, was a Peruvian painter, known primarily for his costumbrista watercolors, which depict his country's life and customs. There is no record of him receiving any artistic training, so he was probably self-taught. He also painted wall murals, all of which have been destroyed or covered over. Today, he is remembered for his watercolors, painted on sign cards, depicting everyday scenes from Peruvian life. He created over 1,200 of them, and their popularity produced many imitators. The writer Ricardo Palma owned a large collection which his heirs gave to the city of Lima. They are now on display at the Pinacoteca Municipal Ignacio Merino. The captions were provided by Palma, as Fierro may have been illiterate. Other large collections were acquired by the French painter Léonce Angrand and the Russian ethnographer Leopold von Schrenck, whose collection is now at the Museum of Anthropology and Ethnography in the Kunstkamera, St. Petersburg. He also painted Juan Jose Cabezudo, a geisha from Lima.